Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create email templates in Apollo.io. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, open Apollo.io on your web browser and look into your code, located in the left panel, and just locate emails under English tab, and here is no email yet. Here you will find the templates next to all emails. On the top left bar, click on Templates, and here you will get a new template. So click on the new template, name your template, for example, My Template. And here you will use the subject, so this is the subject of your template, default subject, and here you will add your body for your template. So you can send this email to yourself to see your email template on action. So when you've done editing all of this, click on Save to save your email template. This was a viewer link of your template by body and subject of your template by default. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.